Welcome to PlatterPulse, your home for quick and cozy recipes. Today we're making Apple Cinnamon Oatmeal, a warm, comforting breakfast in just 10 minutes. Here's what you'll need. 1 tablespoon salted butter, 1 honeycrisp apple chopped into cubes, 3 tablespoons light brown sugar, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1 cup old-fashioned oats, a pinch of kosher salt, 2 cups water, 1/4 cup warm heavy cream or milk, and toasted walnuts, optional but delicious. Let's cook. In a saucepan, melt butter over medium heat. Add the apples, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and cinnamon. Sauté for 2 to 3 minutes until the apples are soft and fragrant. Remove a few apples for topping. Now add oats, salt, the last tablespoon of brown sugar, and 2 cups of water. Cook for 3 to 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until the oats are creamy. Serve warm in a bowl, pour over warm milk or cream, and top with the reserved apples. Finish with a sprinkle of cinnamon, brown sugar, and walnuts if you'd like. And there you have it, a quick, cozy bowl of apple cinnamon oatmeal. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe to Platter Pulse, and share it with a friend who loves easy comfort food.